Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to fix Instagram login loading problem on 2026. Okay, let's start the video. You are trying to log in to your Instagram account using a password, but it is not logging in. See, this is a problem, then let's solve this problem. After that, now go back your home screen and check your internet connection. Now enable turn off airplane mode and turn on again. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your phone setting and follow me step by step. Scroll down, now tap on apps. Find the Instagram apps here or tap on the search icon. Now search for Instagram apps. Now tap on Instagram apps. Scroll down, now tap on storage. Now clear cache and clear data. After that, now tap on force stop and OK. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your Play Store, update your Instagram apps. Now tap on search icon and search for Instagram apps. Now tap on Instagram apps. It is already updated. Now go back your home screen and go to your any browser. Now tap on search icon and search for Instagram Help Center. Now tap on Instagram Help Center. Now tap on Help Instagram. Now tap on three-dot icon. Now tap on Privacy and Reporting. Scroll down, now tap on Report something on Instagram. Scroll down. Now tap on Report it here. Scroll down. Now tap on No. Now tap on Other and tap on Select. Now type your problem here. Now tap on Submit. Your application has been submitted. After that, now go back your home screen. Now go to your any browser. Now tap on three-dot icon. Now tap on Settings. Scroll down, now tap on Google Password Manager. Now tap on Instagram apps and copy your Instagram account password. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your Instagram apps. Now type your username. Now type your password and tap on Login. Now tap on Continue. Please enter your password again and tap on Login. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. Thank you.